To determine if you have a PTB or narrow PTB arm, insert a penny into the end of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a PTB arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow PTB arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X WeatherClear wiper blade on a PTB arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Find the release button on the side of the adapter, lift the button, and slide forward. Remove and discard the adapter. Locate the packaged adapter labeled M4. To install, align the M4 adapter so that the arrow on top is pointed in the same direction as the arrow on the base of the wiper blade. Press the adapter onto the wiper blade and slide back in the direction of the arrow on the adapter base until it clicks into place. Press the button to flip open the cap. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. You may need to consult the owner's manual for your vehicle for instructions. Align the adapter under the arm. Press the adapter into the arm and slide upwards. Close the cap until it locks into place with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Now, activate the blade change indicator by removing the sticker. Over time, the black dot will turn yellow when it is time to change your wiper blade. Installation is complete. You're now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X WeatherClear wiper blades